Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can design professional hoodies for dropshipping or for merchandise using the Canva app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can earn money online. So let's jump into it. First, open Canva, then go to the print products section, and here you have a few categories: popular, marketing, gifts, stationery, clothing, cards, and invites. Now go to marketing or clothing. You can find at both the tabs. And then tap on the hoodie section. And then Canva is going to open up the editing page, which already has the exact size and format for hoodies. And here you can either go and upload your designs or add photos from the Canva library, or type in text or anything if you have a design idea. But if you don't, there are beautiful templates, hoodie templates, that are all created by professional designers, and they are very easily customizable. So if you choose one of these templates, let's say this one, you just tap on apply. It is going to add it to your hoodie design, and then you can go and customize it. You can change the text by tapping on it. You can type anything. You can change the colors, you can change the design elements, the pictures, so you can customize it really easily to the fullest extent. And most of these elements are front and back designs. So as you can see, with this design, you will get a back and the front design as well. And yeah, they are very, very professional and beautiful designs, all made by professionals. And yeah, it is a great way to create merchandise or dropshipping products, because it's a lot cheaper than hiring professional designers, and a lot easier than to start like making courses, like design courses, and learning how to create graphic design. This way you can create something beautiful very easily and almost for free. So yeah, when you add these templates, you can type in your text, your brand name, maybe you can add your logos, you can move around all these design elements, you can add more to it if you want. And yeah, it's very easy and beautiful. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.